Free Will and the Nature of Reality by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. In the Theosophical framework, reality is viewed as a multi-layered construct, comprising both the physical and the spiritual realms. This duality allows for the possibility of free will, as it posits that human beings are not merely products of their environment or deterministic forces. Instead, they are endowed with the capacity to transcend their circumstances through conscious choice, thereby engaging in a process of self-actualization. The physical realm, often perceived as the tangible world we inhabit, is governed by natural laws and observable phenomena. However, the spiritual realm, which is not generally visible and often abstract, encompasses the energies, thoughts and intentions that influence our experiences. This interplay between the two realms suggests that while we may be influenced by external factors, we also possess an intrinsic ability to make choices that reflect our inner truths and aspirations. Moreover, the theosophical perspective emphasizes that reality is not a fixed entity, but rather a dynamic interplay of energies and consciousness. This fluidity implies that our choices can have far-reaching implications, not only for ourselves, but also for the collective consciousness of humanity. The idea that we can alter our reality through conscious decision-making reinforces the notion of free will as a fundamental aspect of our existence. In this context, free will is not merely about making choices. It is about recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings and the impact of our decisions on the broader tapestry of life. By understanding reality as a multidimensional construct, we can appreciate the profound responsibility that comes with the exercise of free will, as our choices contribute to the evolution of both our individual selves and the collective human experience.